Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about new module that is import pickings. So go to the inventory menu and you can see here import pickings menu. So click on import pickings menu, open wizard for import pickings, fill all the information about the pickings. So first import product by name, code or barcode. So select name, select here CSV or XLS file. So select the XLS file, select file, yeah, select picking name XLS here. Now picking state, here set a picking state like ready or draft. So select draft. Here skip SOPO. This option is for if click on skip SOPO, then the source document of picking is skip of this picking, and if skip SOPO is false, then source document is add in import picking. So select the sequence option. Next, use Excel CSV sequence number. If user want to the download sample file, so click on download sample file button and download it. Here fill all the information is of picking. Now click on import for import pickings. If data file is successfully import, then display the message import pickings successfully. Now show the imported pickings. For that, open transfer and user can see here this is the imported pickings here. Now go to the pickings. Here you can see here this is the source document. Skip SOPO selection option is false, then source document added successfully. This is all about the import picking. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.